Grace and peace to you all, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Donald Siame, author of A Hidden Mathematical Genius Within Revealed. Okay, so today's question is on geometric progression. If x plus 1, x plus 3, and x plus 8 are the first three terms of a GP, find the value of x and the common ratio. Okay, so first thing, we'll do it the normal way of finding a common ratio of a GP. Okay, so solution. So we know that a common ratio of a GP is calculated as you divide the second term by first term, or third term divided by second term. So we are going to come up with an equation. Okay, so we have first term is second term is x plus 3. So we'll say x plus 3 over first term, which is x plus 1. So this is also equal to, so this was second term divided by first term. Then you can divide third term divided by second term. Okay, so you divide consecutive terms. So third term divided by third term, which is x plus 8, divided by second term, which is x plus 3. Okay, so this is an equation. Now we can simplify it. So how do you simplify it? We have two fractions and an equal sign in between. So the easiest way to simplify it, we are going to cross multiply. So it will be x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. So x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3, this is just simply x plus 3 squared. So this is equal to, we have x plus 8 multiplied by x plus 1. So we'll put them in brackets to show that there is a product. So we have x plus 8 multiplied by x plus 1. Okay, so this one, we can expand it. We'll say, so first we'll square the first term, so x squared. Then we'll multiply these two, x multiplied by 3, that is 3x. 3x multiplied by 2, that is 6x. So plus 6x. Then the square of the last term, so the square of 9, or the square of 3, that is 9. So plus 9. And this is equal to, then here you multiply distributively. So x will multiply everything in x plus 1, and plus 8 will multiply through x plus 1. So x multiplied by x, we have x squared. X multiplied by 1, we have plus x. Then plus x multiplied by x, we have plus 8x. Then plus 8 multiplied by plus 1, we have plus 8. Okay, then we collect alike terms. So here, to the left hand side of the equation, there is x squared, and on the right there is also x squared. So the two x squared will cancel out. Okay, so x squared and x squared is cancelled out. Okay, then here we have x plus 8x. We're going to have 9x. Now this 9x, when it comes this side, it will be a minus. So we are going to have, this is 6x minus 9x is equal to, so here we have 8, and this plus 9. For us to get rid of plus 9, we know that the opposite of plus 9 is minus 9. So we subtract 9 to both sides. So here we are going to have minus 9. Okay. So what is 6x minus 9x? Yes, 6x minus 9x, we are going to have a minus 3x. So we have minus 3x is equal to, then 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9, we are going to have minus 1. Okay. Then for us to remain with x, we are going to divide by a minus 3 to both sides of the equation. So over minus 3, and this side over minus 3. So minus 3 and minus 3 will cancel out. We are going to have x is equal to minus and minus will give us a positive. So x is equal to 1 over 3. So we have the value of x. The value of x is 1 over 3. Okay, and the question says you find the value of x and the common ratio. Okay, you find the value of x and the common ratio. So we know that common ratio is just second term divided by first term, or third term divided by second term. Okay, so according to what we have, first term is x plus, first term is x plus 1. X plus 1. So we have x is 1 over 3 plus 1. So 1 over 3 plus 1, you can just cross multiply here. So it's 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 3 plus 1, that is 4. So first term should be 4 over 3. First term should be 4 over 3. Then second term is x plus 3. Okay, x plus 3. So we are going to have 1 over 3 plus 3. Again, you can just cross multiply. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 9 plus 1, that is 10. So we are going to have 10 over 3. So 10 over 3, that is second term. So to find a common ratio, you can just divide. It is second term divided by first term. Okay, so we'll say common ratio denoted by R. So say R is equal to, we have second term over first term. So this is equal to second term is 10 over 3 divided by first term is 4 over 3. So when you are dividing fractions, you change to multiplication. Okay, so it will be, this is equal to 10 over 3. So where there is division, we are going to have a multiplication sign. So multiply by. Now when you change this to multiplication, the last fraction here will swap, will interchange. The denominator will become the numerator, and the numerator will become the denominator. Okay, so we are going to have 3 on top and 4 down. Okay, so common ratio is equal to, so we can see that we have 3 here and 3 here. So the 3's will cancel out. 3 can go in 3. So 3 and 3 is 1, and 3 and 3 there is 1. Then here we have 10 and 4. What is the highest common factor of 10 and 4? Okay, so the highest common factor of 10 and 4 is 2. 2 in 10 is 5. 2 in 4, that is 2. Okay, so we have 5 multiplied by 1, that is 5, over 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2. Okay, so usually mathematically we don't leave answers as mixed as improper fractions. So if a fraction is improper, you change it to either a mixed fraction or a decimal. Okay, so let's change this to a mixed fraction. So we say r is equal to 2 in 5. 2 in 5 is 2. Remainder of 1 in over 2. Okay, so common ratio is 2.5. So that is the solution. We have calculated for x and the common ratio. Thank you so much for your time.